Well, it's been nice staying with Mark for the last 4 days, 4 nights. But we now have to move on to Methven, which is where we're going to be staying for the remainder of the year. Might do some travelling about, but that's where we're going to be based to do all our snowboard stuff. I got like 2 months to mess around and do stuff. So I've applied for some jobs. So hopefully I get one of them. That would be nice. But yeah, should all be good. New adventures, yay! It's the closest thing I've seen to a mountain in about a week. I don't know if that would class as a mountain, but there you go. Some level of snow anyway. So will all this melt before it starts, or will this?
Yeah, no, that's all melted.
Oh, well, that sucks, doesn't
You gonna go out for a walk?
it? No.
Oh, and you've never seen snow before. There you go.
Oh, look at that. Look, it's coming in. Oh, it's beautiful. See the rainbow. Oh, a little bit. That's as close as we're going to get to it today.
There's the Rakawa River down there, and we're gonna get to a bridge shortly across it.
Nice. That's as close as we get to Mount Hat for now.
You're gonna have to delete it.
Oh, yeah, there it is. There it is. Is that the one you said that only has 2 bridges? Is this that river?
I think.
Is this the river that only has 2 bridges?
This is Rakawa. This is one that has 2 bridges as well.
How much worse can it get? Don't like a sniggering, that means we might die. It's alright, it's still good. Bit rickety.
Keep on
Let's see.
or
The road to Mount Hat is dark and full of terrors. Carpooling equals perks.
Yeah.
What are the perks? No more racing for the top car park, 30% fewer cars, short shuttle queues, cheaper buses from the town. Oh, sweet, alright. I like it. I get behind it. It's just a sheep invasion. It's just sheep as far as you can see.
Yeah, yeah.